friends, Running Kimono here, and we're going to talk about the best gain deals this week over at the Dollar General, pairing the 5 off of 30 with the 5 off of 25. 5 off of 25 is a Saturday only coupon, so if you are going to do these deals before that, tack on an extra $5. But the most significant savings is Saturday the 16th when you can pair these two. A couple of rules for you. Obviously, the biggest savings is on the 16th when you could stack the two and get $10 of savings on a $30 basket. Pay attention when you're in the store. Use the Dollar General app and scan everything to ensure that that 5 off of 30 at the very least is attaching to all your products. I believe there's about half a dozen products, newer packaging and such, that do not attach, so you really have to be on your toes. Any issues you might have at checkout where coupons are not coming off, or if it's a whole lot more, void your transaction. Yes, you can. Not every region this stack works. These are Michigan prices, and if you are a newbie, I would probably stick with a basic 5 off of 25 to do a double stack your first go around, or if this is the first Dollar General video you're ever watching, it might be a little bit much, it's kind of advanced shopping. Now, if your region, the two don't stack, you might want to try using this one, which prints at the bottom of your receipt. And yes, it does work to stack both of them. So just a little bit of food for thought right there. Okay, the first deal we're going to talk about is 100% digital. We're going to need our two best friends, which is the 5 off of 30 and the 5 off of 25. And we are shopping on the 16th. First item that we're going to grab is this. One of these products for $13.50. The detergent, the flings, or the fireworks. And these are the massive containers. That is like detergent until like Christmas. I'm kind of inclined to getting that big detergent. It's just a really big container, and I mean, who doesn't like to have that? It's detergent forever. Now, the coupon that's affixing with that is this $3, so please make sure you have that loaded to your store card. And the next item that we're going to be grabbing is one of these products. I know Odor and Defense, for example, that is not attaching with the 5 off of 30. But grab a product, scan it, make sure it's attaching at $6.95. We have a $2 digital. This guy, as you see, it has a quick expiry date. It's expiring on the 16th, so use it or lose it. We're also grabbing one of these Febreze Air Effects. See how it has the Gain logo at the bottom for $3? That is the one that we're going to grab, Moonlight Breeze. And we're going to make sure that we have this guy loaded, which is the $1 digital off of a Febreze air care product. We're also going to be grabbing two of these small spaces with the Gain logo on it, and there is a 3 off of 2. There's another one with the Gain logo on it. It's like berry something or other, and the 5 off of 30 is not attaching with that. So just be very mindful that you're grabbing this specific one, which is in the original scent. Now, we're a little short from getting our basket right to 30, so we're going to run over to the dollar spot and grab one of these boxes for exactly $1 of the Gain dryer sheet. If you don't want to grab this, you can also grab, I think that they have like a little detergent one that's also $1, or a fabric softener. Scan in the app. And if you want to open your Dollar General app, scan this barcode, you'll see what I'm talking about. If you go to the very bottom, you'll see that the 5 off of 30 is in fact attaching with this product. So boom, here it is. So this is what you want to see. Okay, so just to jog through the math again, one of the Gain detergents, or firework 51 count, whatever you want to grab, something at $13.50, one of those. One Gain fabric softener for $6.95. One Febreze Air Effect with the Gain logo on it for $3. Two Febreze small spaces with the Gain logo on it as well in original. $3 each, that's $6. And then one box of the Gain dryer sheets found in the dollar spot for exactly $1. So the total for all of this is $30.45. As the cashier is scanning all of your merchandise, that's when you punch in your phone number. The cashier will press the final pay button. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 will come off, along with the $9 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're paying $11.45 for the 6 items, shaking it out to $1.90 per product. Now, by chance, if you can't find that box of dryer sheets found in the dollar spot, grab this guy for $2. It'll make your basket an extra $1, so it'll be $12.45. But this also works with the 5 off of 30, and it's a cheaper product. Or you could maybe grab the dish soap by Gain as well. It is your choice. Okay, next deal that we're going to do includes one internet printable. So for this little dealio, we're going to have the 5 off of 30, along with the 5 off of 25 loaded to our store card. Now what we're going to do for this one, we're going to grab 2 of the fabric softeners. Please make sure you're scanning the right cents that the 5 off of 30 is attaching, along with the $2 digital coupon. So we're going to be grabbing 2 of those products, or if you want to mix and match a detergent and dryer sheets or something like that. And this is the digital that we want loaded, the $2. And then we're going to go to this website, P&G Good Everyday, this one, and we're going to print out one of these. Now, the morning that you go to the store, that's when you print it out, because the expiry date for this is like less than 24 hours. It's a really goofy thing that they do there. But this coupon should work with one of those products at $6.95. Okay, so the next item that we're going to grab is another detergent product for $13.50. These are the larger products. So again, I'm just about that large bottle of liquid detergent because I think it looks really cool. I don't know. And then there's a $3 digital that is in fact attaching with, so make sure that you have this little guy loaded. And then just to keep the basket right to $30, we're going to look for one of these Febreze Air Effects with the Gain Scent for exactly $3 on the nose. And then we have this $1 digital coupon that is attaching. Okay, so looking at the mathematics for this, 2 Gain detergents at $6.95, or fabric softeners, whatever you want. $6.95 a pop, that's $13.90. 1 Gain detergent, that large one, for $13.50, and 1 Gain Air Effect, or Febreze Air Effect with the Gain Scent for $3. The total for the basket is $30.40. You will present, as the cashier scanning everything, that's when you punch in your phone number, present that $2 internet printable from P&G Good Everyday. Hopefully your store accepts internet printables. And then when the cashier hits the final pay button, 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 30 is coming off, along with $6 of digital manufacturers. You're left with paying $12.40 for the 4 products, shaking it out to $3.10 each. If you consider that it's a massive thing of detergent and then some really larger size fabric softeners, I think this is a pretty solid little deal. So before I take off, I just want to talk about this P&G Everyday Reward site. I was talking about it. That's where you're going to get the internet printable. Well, guys, you know I was shopping really hard last weekend for the Dollar General clearance event. I photographed a couple of my receipts, 4 exactly, and I got a $5 gift card to Starbucks. So this is a site that if you are buying a lot of P&G products, Gain included, you have a whole receipt of products for this website, for this little gift card offer that they have. You can easily score some gift cards. I probably submit my receipts like once a month, a couple of times, and I always manage to score a $5 like Taco Bell or Starbucks gift card. So if you are interested in this sort of thing, check out the link in the notes. At the very least, if you sign up, you can print internet printables and then amount a lot of your receipts towards points for these little gift cards. Okay, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.